Hello and welcome to the second lecture of the playlist. The next step is to install Python and write our first Python code. There are various softwares available for Python programming, like directly installing Python from python.org, using any IDE like Anaconda, Jupyter Notebook, VS Code, PyCharm, and other cloud platforms like Google Collaborative, known as Google Colab, Kaggle Notebook, and other online compilers. We'll be trying different software and cloud platforms to write and execute our Python code. The very first is the traditional approach of writing and executing the Python code. Here we'll download and install the Python compiler, then write the Python code in a text editor and save it with .py extension, executing it through the command prompt. The second approach will be to install Jupyter Notebook, a very famous IDE for AI researcher. Last would be an online platform, Google Colab. We'll be using Jupyter Notebook and Google Colab for the rest of our playlist. Let's try our first approach of installing the Python compiler and then writing our Python code in a text editor, followed by executing the Python code in a command prompt. For that, first we have to check whether Python is installed or not in our Windows system. Let's move to the search bar and type cmd, that means some command prompt. This is the command prompt. Here we will type a command, that is Python hyphen version. This will give us the version of the Python if it is already installed. But if it is not installed, it will give us some error. So the error is Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. Fine. Then what we will do is we'll go to the browser, and here in browser what we'll do is we'll go and type Python download. We'll go to the www.python.org. This is the official website. Here, what we have to do is we have to download this Python install manager. Although there are many variants of Python for different operating system, you can go and check for yourself, like Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, and even for other platforms. We'll download the Python install manager now. Click here. It may take a bit of time. Till then, we'll just check all the other versions that are available. These are the versions available for Windows. Similarly, you can check for other operating system. Here, go for stable release. It is better than the pre-release versions. Okay. Our download is ready, I think. Now go to this Python Manager 26.3 MSIX file. I'll go here in the folder. What we have to do is we have to just double click to this file. Let's do that. Okay. Now this is the window that will pop up, and you have to just click on install Python. This will revert you to the command prompt again. So what they're asking is if we have app execution alias open, and if they have these two set values up, first Python default and Python install, then we have to disable them. For that, we have to click here, yes, enter. So they have redirected us here. This is the app execution aliases. Let's click here, and what they have asked us for Python. These are the two things. Let's go and check again. Python default and Python install manager. Python default and Python install manager. Let's verify it. So Python default and Python install manager. Fine. We have just disabled them. Let's go back. And now they are asking for installing the latest version of CPython. Yes, of course. Okay. Do you need any kind of online help? No. I can type and done. Next step is to check whether we can see the version of the Python or not. Let's go for the new command prompt tab. Click here again and check here Python hyphen hyphen version. If it shows the version, great, fine. Now what we'll do is, next step is to write a Python program in a text file and then get it executed. Fine. So let's go here, close or minimize all the tabs, right click it, and in that go for the text document. In the text document, open it. You can use Notepad, you can use Notepad plus plus or even the text document. Everything will work fine. Now the first program is hello students. Fine. This is what I am writing. Here you can see that you don't need to write the semicolon and just you need to use the print method to print anything on the output screen. Now we have to save it. Go to File tab, click on Save As. You can give any name that you want. So I'll say hello dot py. Py is the extension that is needed. All of us know about it. The next thing is to change text document to all files in the field of save as type. Now save. Fine. Minimize it. After that, you can see that this is the file that you have just created. Fine. Let's execute the Python file that we have just created using command prompt. For that, go to the command prompt. Here you can see that we have actually created the file in the desktop and this is showing users/AI repository. First, we have to ensure that we reach to the destination where we have actually saved that file. Fine. So for that, I'll type cd space desktop. Let's see. Now you can see that desktop has been added to the path. I am in the desktop. Fine. Now I have to call the Python compiler using the command Python space the name of the file that is hello and the extension of the file that is py. Now this should typically give me the output as hello students. Fine. You can see that I have in this video I have actually downloaded the Python compiler, installed it, then we have written the Python code in a text editor and finally executed through the command prompt. In the upcoming video, what we'll be doing is we'll be using Jupyter Notebook and Colab for the same task. Thank you.